Yes, my beautiful people, welcome to this channel where we talk about things that is affecting our society, our Jamaican society. So right now, what is on the agenda is I see a thing yesterday while I was reading the Star, and it's saying that Jamaican men don't wanna eat rum and raisin ice cream down in Montego Bay. It might be a man them say boy they don't wanna eat no rum and raisin ice cream because of what did go on the other day with the policeman up so. We must say boy the flavour of other thing the way they that eat taste like rum and raisin. So me I say me no know if that is a reason not to eat rum and raisin ice cream. That sound like foolishness to me still. Based on the fact say boy me I eat rum and raisin ice cream for me a little youth and me sure enough people enough of we a eat ice cream from we little youth and I want my favorite ice cream cause me love me rum and raisin ice cream, you know. And me I say boy, me no see nothing wrong with the rum and raisin ice cream. But apart from that now, the yard man them now, down a Mobile them I say boy they not to eat no rum and raisin ice cream and they with it. Them. So what about it is now the year 2021 and the woman them love their ice cream eating. And that the woman them love. I be a freak there yard, you know. Everybody a freak. Yeah, we take up a foreign style and everybody a freak, you know. So me no understand how them a say boy they not eat rum and raisin ice cream because the policeman did a deal with it a certain way. But to me a foolishness still. And you know, what you do in your bedroom, that are your business. If you want to eat that thing there in your bedroom, you please your woman love it. She a please you same way. Me sure she a bite for your ice cream cone same way. So, you know, in this a modern time, you know, I think say we as Jamaican fi just leg off a certain foolishness, but that not go happen. That not go happen. So it's like a joke thing to me still. Me take it as a joke. Me not really think of nothing too serious, but reading the Star yesterday, when I was reading the Star, and it a tell me say boy, they don't want to eat ice cream and certain things because of certain things. It kind of ridiculous. Yeah. It kind of ridiculous to me. It kind of sound like a foolishness, but as I started say, the man, them, when I man now we own a ice cream place down a Mobile, I say boy, people now want, man them, youth them now want buy ice cream again, you know, because they must say rum and raisin flavor, them don't want that again. So, a man I say boy, rum and raisin drop, you know. Nobody now buy so him must stop sell it. Cause youth them now eat no rum and raisin ice cream. But me bet say them a eat other things. Them a eat worse things more rum and raisin ice cream. So to me a joke thing. It look like a comedy thing still. But you know say Jamaican food thing kinda set away. We kinda weird certain way. So you can't do study that. You know what I mean? But that's how things set. So what me I say? Thank you for joining the channel. This is the first topic. Day to day we'll be dealing with every different topic from my opinion, from a Jamaican society point of view, and this is just my opinion. So no bother crucify me or try to kill me if you disagree with my opinion. You can leave it in the comment section, see you. And if you agree, leave it in our comment section, see we can still reason about it. Yeah. But in my opinion, me love me rum and raisin ice cream from me a little youth until now. I sit know me love. You understand? Me love me rum and raisin. And my favorite ice cream that me can't change. So, maybe me old school. But the youth them are now, well them say I don't have mobile. Me no know why town man them are going it up here so still, you know. Town man no left for no comment. Uno eat the rum and raisin or a dusty mobile man them a boycott it. Eh, let me know in the comment section and make we well a reason about it, you know. But differently, give me rum and raisin. Me love that, me love it. Me love it. Rum and raisin all day. And you them now we say they not eat it. Maybe them just a do it as a joke thing still, you know. Maybe them just a say that still because me sure say them a eat the other thing. They will act like they not eat the other thing because every woman when me know say boy they get the thing eaten. You know, man a eat up the thing and some woman them are not even the official woman. Then just see a woman all a one night and just meet her and then next thing you know him a eat up his sitting same way. So to me that kinda nothing go on because me couldn't just meet a woman and I don't know her. You know what I mean? And just start eat that like this. You know what I mean? So that to me is worse than even eating just rum and raisin ice cream cause the man them a do worse things. Yeah. Some man all a eat the back part too, you know. I mean I tell you that. Some man a eat all the back part that's around there so. Yeah, so on YouTube me can't to talk what me I say but me know and understand what me I say. So then fi cut the foolishness. That is basically what me I say upon that the topic there. So you what me I say now people like, comment, share. Yeah man, let me know what go on and everything. Wanna leave it in the comment section and make we reason out the thing more or whatever. If you want a topic to cover, me cover a topic same way. But from day to day, this is what this channel is about. Look out for every day or every other day we release a new thing. Alright, stay blessed, walk good, blessed, respect.